The long wait is finally over dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List na katabang na kasurog pa as we going to have the Albay Clasico, the own version of Albay of Manila Clasico sa PBA. At ngayon nga matutunghayan natin ang labanan ng Team Legazpi kontra sa Team Daraga as we take a look at Monster Mon Mabayo together with Alvin Milagrosa ng Team Legazpi. Will they get another monster game kontra dito sa Team Daraga with having Dazzle, Paul Aspe and JJ Caspe, the hot shooting JJ Caspe right now. Magandang gabi po. We welcome you all sa aming live coverage ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022 and we are still live here inside the Daraga covered court sa napakagandang bayan, ang umaarangkadang bayan ng Daraga Albay. Ako po si Coach Kyle Marilla, kasama pa rin si Coach Ranji Basquinas. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Coach.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, partner. Hindi ko nga marinig na yung sarili ko dito sa sobrang dami ng tao. And yung kanina medyo malamig, di ba? Amihan na. Ngayon biglang uminit.
And that is because the mammoth crowd dito sa ating loob ng covered court. Pero puntahan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter, the third member of our panel, Carmela Hernandez.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog at ito na nga ang pinakahuling match-up game tonight at walang iba kundi ang Daraga versus Legazpi. Ito ay sa pinaka-inaabang-abangan ng mga Albayanos dito sa bakbakan sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And now the long wait is over. Kaya huwag natin patagalin pa at simulan natin itong bakbakan dito sa Daraga covered court. And you can also watch us at Ako Bicol TV Partners page at sa representative Zaldico dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Kaya balik sa inyo Coach Cal at Coach Ranji.
Thank you very much, Carmela Hernandez. At mamaya makakasama ulit natin siya para sa kanyang mga ulat dito sa ating bakbakan. Pero puntahan kaagad natin ang ating game story para sa labanang ito. At ito, papamagatan nga natin siya na Legazpi versus Daraga. This is Albay Clasico.
Yes, kasi magkakapitbahay lang to, di ba? Legazpi and Daraga. And halos lahat ng players dito taga dito sa Albay at sa Legazpi and sa Daraga.
At yun nga ang matutunghayan natin dito as I guess we can turn the mic over sa ating game announcer para nga umpisahan na itong ball game na ito. At syempre makakasama natin dyan ang ating game announcer, walang iba, yours truly.
Good evening, basketball fans, and welcome to your Ako Bicol Cup 2022. The long wait is finally over. We are live inside the Daraga covered court in the municipality of Daraga, Albay. This is your Albay Clasico. And now let's meet the protagonists. First, from your Team Legazpi. Starting at guard, number 9, Joshua James Diaz. And another guard, Jonathan Del Rosario. At center, number 31, Aymar Sampaio. And also at forward, number 88, Ramon Monster Mabayo. And also at forward, number 14, Alvin Milagrosa. And now let's meet the starters for your home team. Daraga! Starting at center, number 23, Jay Gador. At forward, number 13, Renzo Yandero. And under forward, number 14, Joey Albaita. Starting at guard, number 12, J.J. Casper. And another guard, number 91, Dasel Casper. And our officials for this ball game, Eman Faraon, Jomar Goron, and Edmond Faraon. This is your Ako Bicol Cup 2022. It's game time!
At yun na nga partner, ang ating mga first unit sa magkabilang kupunan, labanan ng 2nd District Team Daraga versus Team Legazpi and Albay Clasico.
Yes, makikita natin sa game na ito kung sino ang mananaig sa mga bayan na malapit sa Mayon.
And the starting unit for the Team Daraga.
Kay Team Daraga, we have Aspe, Caspe, Llantero, Albaytar at Gadon. And sa Team Legazpi, we have Diaz, Milagrosa, Del Rosario, Mabayo, and Sabayo.
At yan nga ang ating unang mga bida para dito sa ating Albay Clasico. As we heard the whistle, and the ball will be up. Albaytar kontra kay Sabayo, and the first possession will go to Team Legazpi with Alvin Milagrosa.
And ang maganda dito, ang Team Legazpi and Team Daraga are all wala pa silang talo.
Ako parehas.
This is a game to para kung
to
sino
break the tie.
makita kung sino
Oo.
top ng bracket na to.
And Aspe kontra kay Diaz. Aspe lulusot. At makuha ni Mabayo ang bola doon. Mabayo with the running start. Mabayo. Take out kay Diaz. Diaz with the first crack of our ball game.
Yes, Diaz there. Nag-aabang-abang lang doon sa mid-range. And then suddenly, physicality is already showing already showed here in the ball game.
And much to the delight of this Mammoth Sunday crowd dito sa loob ng Daraga covered court.
We will expect a lot of physicality here in this ball game, partner. Lalo-lalo na magkakakilala tong mga to. Lagi to nagkikis-kisan sa mga paliga dito sa Albay and Daraga.
They are no strangers with each other. Caspe. Good pass to Aspe with their first 2 points. The connection of that combo guard.
Start na ang Aspe to Caspe connection.
Del Rosario kontra kay Llantero. Now Diaz.
Tingnan natin kung mapapantayan ba yan ng Sabayo to Mabayo connection.
Mabayo. He will attack and he will make that layup. May kasama pang foul.
Nakita ni Mabayo doon na napakabukas ng lane ng paint ng Team Daraga. So inatake agad niya to, hindi nagdalawang isip, and he got the shot and also the foul.
And right now, Mabayo will shoot his bonus free throw para dagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan in this early going sa ating bakbakan. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor Awin Baldo of Daraga and former Congressman Alfredo Garbin. Kasama natin sila ngayon dito. Caspe kontra kay Del Rosario. Good pick and roll. Action there. Pero hindi na-convert. Caspe once more. Wala pero.
Napakalakas ng banggaan doon ni Gadon at ni Sabayo. Rinig na rinig dito sa table.
And Mabayo now takes it out to Diaz. Diaz spinning. And ang gandang hanap once again.
Diaz is has a lot of magic there in his arsenal. Nakita niya na papunta sa kanya yung depensa, so drinap niya na agad to.
Aspe kontra kay Diaz. Aspe with a 3-point shot. Way off. At pupunta ang bola, and Diaz with a running start. With a fake. Diaz. At nakapulot ng foul doon kay Aspe. That's the first personal foul of Aspe.
At the start of this ball game, itong si Diaz na nalalasa. Siya ang unang-unang nagpapakita ng talent niya ngayon.
First personal and the second team foul for Daraga.
Diaz will shoot 2 free throws dito sa ating first quarter of action. We are only under the 8-minute mark sa ating bakbakan, with Diaz missing his first.
Shooting for 2, Diaz. First roll of blue.
Etong Team Legazpi at Team Daraga, full of personality, na known personality here in Albay. Nung lalo na
Last roll.
yung coaching staff ng Daraga, Coach Nuki Sabio from Ateneo Dinaga University kahapon, kakaroon may
Nasa Legazpi yun, partner.
Yes. Siya ang coach ng Legazpi ngayon. Kahapon kakatapos lang ng nila ng semifinals doon sa Bicol.
Gaspe with a shot. Aspe with the rebound. Albaytar securing the board and the putback.
Iba rin ang kaskisan nito ni Aspe at ni Diaz early in the ball game right now.
Del Rosario with a big pick on Sabayo. Milagrosa open on that corner. Wala. At mapupunta ang bola. And right now, Aspe looking to attack. Gadon, back to Leantero. And a chase down doon by Alvin Milagrosa, pero natawagan siya ng foul.
Yes, pero napakaganda ng passing nitong Daraga in the transition. Kung makita mo kanina, hindi lang isang tao ang humahawak ng bola bago may magkaroon ng layup o shot.
And we have a warning here on that last sequence. That's a warning for a resetment to a call. And Leantero now will be tested on the line. 7 minutes and 8 seconds sa ating unang yugto dito sa Albay Clasico.
Ang line-up nitong Daraga and Legazpi parang MPBL lang yung pinapanood natin ngayon, partner.
You are definitely right.
Number 31. 44.
Sobrang dami ng tao ngayon, naririnig yung sigawan ng mga tao sa monitor. Punong-puno, pati sa labas meron tayo yung sariling Jurassic Park.
Daragasic Park.
Daragasic Park. Kung ang Toronto Raptors may Jurassic Park, tayo may Daragasic Park.
Now the question on the part of Team Daraga, how can you contain a guy like Mon Mabayo? And ayan, Del Rosario will attack. Again, yung question ko kanina, Coach Ranji. The question for the Team Daraga right now, how can you contain a guy like Mon Mabayo?
First, you need to put up the best defender that you have right there in your bench. Kung sino yung pinakamagaling, iyan ilagay mo kay Mon Mabayo.
And Leantero right now on top. Binabantayan ni Milagrosa. He opted to go another way, pero nabitawan niyo doon. And Diaz will stop. And Del Rosario will pick the ball up. And Milagrosa with a spin. At hindi natawagan doon. Humingi siya doon ng foul, pero out of bounds play. And right now, an early call for timeout dito sa Team Daraga. Low scoring ball game tayo, Coach.
Sinasabi mo kanina, tinatanong mo kanina kung ano ang pwedeng gawin kay Mon Mabayo. Ang pinaka-best way is to put up the best defender from Team Daraga. But right now, guess who? Kung sino ang nananalasa sa kabila?
Oo.
Yung connection ng Victory Boys.
Oo.
Si maagang nagpapakita si Diaz and si Milagrosa.
So yun nga ang ating aabangan dito sa umaatikabong bakbakan ng Legazpi kontra sa Team Daraga.
With 6 minutes and 37 seconds for the first quarter.
At ang bola ay mananatili sa Team Legazpi with 15 seconds on their shot clock.
Kanina nakita agad natin yung Aspe to Caspe connection. Ngayon hindi na natin nakikita yon because medyo na-check na nila yon.
Diaz asking for a pick sa kay Sabayo and biglang pull up yon at pasok yan para kay Diaz.
Again, I'm telling you, partner, ang maagang nagpapakita right now are the Victory Boys, just like Diaz.
Caspe to Leantero. Aspe kontra kay Diaz. Open. Liantero on that corner and he drills the 3-point shot.
That's the favorite move by Aspe, driving to the lane and suddenly bigla niya lang i-kick out dito sa corner or sa wing for an open 3-point shot.
Milagrosa on that right corner. Mabayo on top. Pulling out is Diaz. Diaz is hot right now.
As Diaz is unconscious right now. He is playing out of his mind right now. Walang kakaba-kaba ang taang batang to ngayon.
And that is, I guess that's not a good shot on the part of Team Daraga with Gadon pulling up for a 3-point shot. And right now, Team Legazpi has the chance to add more sa kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating first quarter.
Team Daraga should definitely put a guy on Diaz right now because he's playing out of his mind.
And the rebound will be secured of Aspe. And Gadon tumatakbo sa kabilang dulo. Gadon ilalagay na lang yan sa ring.
That's the luxury if having an Aspe in your team.
The court vision of Aspe.
Yes, makuha niya lang ang bola, alam mo na kung tumakbo ka na, makikita at makikita ka niya.
And another foul call there in that last sequence. That's the first personal foul of Gadon at mananatili ang bola sa Team Legazpi with 17 seconds on their shot clock.
Gadon picking his first personal foul, napakaaga. Kailangan siya sa team, kaya hindi dapat siya mahulog sa maagang foul trouble situation.
Sabayo with 10 on their shot clock. Sabayo with the hook.
Sabayo inararo doon.
Ang depensa ni Albaitar. And right now, anong ginagawa ng Team Legazpi?
Team Legazpi is looking for the guy that having the spark right now. Na-check yung karamihan sa kanilang mga spark sa yung mga marksmen sa Team Legazpi. So anong ginagawa nila? They are going to Diaz. So Diaz having his opportunity to play this game like he's playing right now. So sinusuklian niya lang kung ano binibigay sa kanya ni Coach Nuki.
Gaspe, Albaitar, the middle. At mawawala ulit sa kanila ang bola. And a double dribble call on Diaz. At ang possession ay babalik para sa Team Daraga.
Na-excite si Diaz doon. Nakita niya 3 on 2. Fast break ang nandun. So that's a very good opportunity na makascore sila. So but yung utak niya nauna na naman sa katawan niya. So bigla niyang naitapon yung nahawakan 2 beses yung bola.
Mananatili ang bola sa Team Daraga with 14 seconds on their shot clock. Gaspe on top kontra kay Del Rosario. Gaspe, malayong tira. At hindi niya mako-convert yun. At ayan, tumatakbo na naman ang mga taga-Legazpi pero intercepted by Aspe. Aspe will attack. Aspe with a shake and bake layup.
Aspe right there. Napakataas ng tinalon niya doon. And nakita niya na may sumabay, binali niya sa ere to get that very nice, good-looking layup. Biglang nagsigawan yung mga tao dito sa loob ng Daraga Court.
Much to the delight of this mammoth crowd. The oohs and ohs from the crowd. And right now, Team Daraga is under the penalty. So, Team Legazpi will shoot free throws for every time they will foul or they are fouled. Smooth. Explosive layup yun kanina kay Aspe. Oo. And we're going to see a lot more from Aspe. Del Rosario for his second throw. And he makes sure of his free throws. And right now, this is only a 3-point ball game. Liantero kontra kay Milagrosa.
This is a purely man-to-man defense na pinapakita ngayon ng Legazpi City.
And right now, puntahan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter, Carmela Hernandez. Pasok.
Yes, Coach Kyle and Coach Ranji, first quarter pa lang pero talagang mainit na ang labanan between Daraga and Legazpi. At nakausap ko kanina si Coach Tads ng Team Daraga and according to him, pinaghandaan daw talaga nila ito dahil mahirap talaga ang labanan na to. Kaya ang primary plan nila is to orchestrate the offense and always look for an open teammate to score. And they really need to play a good defense against Team Legazpi. And with that play style, it's not impossible for them to get the victory. Back to the panel.
At yun na nga ang ginagawa ngayon ng Team Daraga, executing their play. Pero sa kabilang dako,
That's a nice fake handoff from Aspe there. And now, that's a great pass kung if it connects. But just couldn't finish.
Oo.
Hindi lang nakuha yung bola.
that's good intention on the part of Aspe. Yun nga lang ay hindi yon expected di Asanya.
It's a 3-on-1 situation there. So it's a huge break for Team Legazpi right now.
Mabayo on top. Diaz kontra kay Aspe. Diaz right now is a marked man for the Team Legazpi. Alvin Milagrosa slicing through pero wala. At ayan na naman ang mga taga-Daraga tumatakbo. Liantero. Pero andon si Caspe to clean up the mess for Team Daraga.
Slowly, Team Daraga is relying on their transition offense right now.
Del Rosario with the ball. Directing traffic for the Team Legazpi. Sabayo. Diaz open for 3. Another 3 for Joshua James Diaz.
Again, Diaz. Ginagawa ang lahat na kanyang makakaya.
Mainit si Diaz ngayon dito sa ating ball game. Caspe babawi with the long shot pero wala.
He is playing unconscious right now. It's a great.
And we have a traveling call there.
And also, partner, I would like to also to tell you na hindi lang yung star-studded yung dalawang team and also yung coaches, but also yung referees.
Oo,
Yung
started
officiating
na.
natin.
Yeah. Because of the presence of our SBP commissioner
Yes.
ng ating SBP Region 5 with the presence of Eman Faraon.
Yes.
And right now, calling for time is Team Legazpi. Hindi nakakalayo ang magkabilang koponan with only 2-point ball game right now. So definitely the adjustment of both teams right now ay matetesting.
Oo. Slowly, itong Daraga. They are relying on their transition offense. Kanina makita mo, ang dami ng mga fast break points nila. Oops. There's something happening outside.
And I guess,
I think there's something happening.
there's something wrong sa ating labas ng court.
Doon sa Jurassic Park. Kung mainit ang labanan sa loob ng court, may mainit din na labanan sa labas.
At alam natin yan kung ano yan.
Alam din natin kung gaano kainit na ngayon dito sa loob. Sana palakasan lang yung aircon.
Caspe with the ball right now. Liantero binabantayan ni Mabayo. That's a good matchup. Liantero kontra kay Mabayo. And a good pihit na naman doon si Aspe pero mintis yun. And Mabayo, this is a 4-on-1 fast break. Santos making sure of that layup. And right now, 4-point lead for the Team Legazpi with under 2 minutes to go sa ating first quarter.
If you can see, partner, pareho sila ng play style ngayon na ginagawa. They are forcing the turnover in the other end of the court and then they are running and the both teams are running right now.
Gadon with his jumper. Mintis doon at ang bola ay mababalik muli sa Team Legazpi with Del Rosario stepping on the gas. Binigay kay Mabayo. Mabayo with another layup.
Again, that's another transition basket coming up from a rebound.
And Daraga right now looks rattled. Leantero with a pick on Azanya. Azanya.
Nice find there. Coming from Liantero to Asanya. Nakita niya na nag-double sa kanya yung dalawa after a pick and roll. So pinasa niya agad ito kay Asanya for a slash, and now he was rewarded by fouls.
As we take a look at Congressman Alfredo Garbin together with the Mayor of Camalig and syempre ang ating Mayor dito sa Daraga, Mayor Awin Baldo. They are enjoying this ball game, the jam-pack covered court ng Daraga.
So the stars are coming down from the sky. Hindi lang yung dalawang team ang mga merong mga popular personality. Pati yung referees, officiating, yung mga coaches, and also pati yung ating mga leaders.
And ito Mambayo kontra kay Monsalve. Monsalve successful defending on Mambayo. Stop and pop is Santiago. Sobra yun. Caspe kontra kay Del Rosario and Mabayo on top. At nasa right wing si Villares. Del Rosario cutting through the middle. At ipinilit doon ni Sabayo ang action and he fished for foul.
Kung nakita natin kanina yung both teams na Santo Domingo versus Tiwi na napakabilis ito, nakita natin mabilis din. Very fast-paced ang labanan.
With 27.2 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto ng Albay Clasico. Sabayo will shoot 2 free throws para dagdagan ang kalamangan ng Legazpi.
Hindi yung nadadagdagan, padagdag ang tao dito sa likod natin. Medyo painit ng painit
Ang aksyon.
ang aksyon.
Sabayo with his second shot and he makes sure of that. 2 free throws right now. This is a 7-point ball game with under 20 seconds to go sa ating first frame. Ooh. Caspe slicing through the defense and making that layup is JJ Caspe.
Yes, kanina makita natin medyo hindi siya medyo cold. Medyo tahimik kanina si Caspe. Right now medyo nakaisa na siya, so titingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba yan.
Caspe for 3, short yun. And sa pagtatapos ng ating unang yugto dito sa ating Albay Clasico ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022, lamang ang Legazpi with only 5-point lead dito sa Team Daraga. Magbabalik po kami for more action para sa second quarter ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, kanang Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito ka na Bicol Party List. Asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
And we are back sa ating second quarter of action. Laban ng Team Legazpi versus Team Daraga. And right now, Team Legazpi sitting on a 5-point lead kontra dito sa Daraga.
Yes, and thanks to the 11 points that Diaz has already. So, also has 1 rebound, 1 assist, and 2 steals. Samantalang sa kabila, si Aspe, sinasagot yan with 6 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 assist as well.
And right now, Miscommunication there on the team Daraga as they will turn the ball over again. At ayan na, si Fulay ng Team Legazpi. And Borbe, nasa loob na rin ng court para sa mga naka-blue.
Yes, Borbe, a part of the team Bicol in the Palarong Pambansa in 2019.
And another good matchup there na nakikita natin, Monsalve kontra kay Santos. Pero in that last sequence, na-foul niya lang si Santos. So Santos will troop to the line for 2 shots.
Papansin ko itong Team Legazpi is madalas ang trip to the free throw line nila. So medyo na-foul trouble itong Team Daraga.
Because right now, Team Legazpi is attacking the heart of the defense of Daraga, and at sa kabilang dako naman sa Team Daraga, they are settling for outside shot.
Yes.
Let's go. Over 2 for Santos.
Chope para sa Team Daraga, looking for Caspe. Caspe, matchup na ngayon. At bibalik kay Caspe, and what a wonderful play!
That's a nice give and go coming from Monsalve, and an attack, and after that attack, a nice drop pass.
A good action there for the Team Daraga. Fulay now. Nakita sa ilalim once again is Joshua James Diaz.
Sinawi din agad ni Diaz. Napakalaki ng puso nitong batang to.
Caspe on top again. Same play with that ball screen on top. Caspe for 3. Finally, he hits one from downtown.
Caspe breaking the silence.
And Diaz right out the hat man for the Team Legazpi.
4 lang yan. Medyo madikit ang laban natin ngayon. They are playing the same brand of basketball. Probably because pareho sila, they are coming from the same leagues.
And yun na, tumatakbo na ang Team Daraga. Chope one more time at makukuha niya na. Yan ang basket na yan. And right now, only a 2-point ball game, coach. Santos kontra kay Monsalve, EPP hit. Pero sobra yung tira niya at ayan na naman ang Team Daraga. Now Santiago leading the break.
Diaz is now pressuring Santiago at the backcourt.
And Caspe nagpasabit na lang doon. And right now, ano yung nakikita mong adjustment na ginagawa ng Team Daraga dito kung kaya naibaba nila ang kalamangan 2 into 2 points?
Yes, kung kanina makikita mo partner na puro sila outside shots. Ngayon, they are starting to attack the rim. When you attack the rim, magkakaroon tayo ng napakaraming drop passes and also the fouls like this. And also they will earn the triple free throw line.
At nakita nga din natin kanina yung wonderful play. That little give and go and then that drop pass.
Oo, kung sa NBA yun, ano na yun, top 5,
Oh.
top 10. You can hear the passion of the crowd right now. They're screaming.
Kanina hindi ko naririnig pero ngayon naririnig ko na siya.
Oo, naririnig ko rin sa monitor.
Substitution.
And
Mabayo.
we have a substitution here. Del Rosario will check back in for Mabayo. And right now, this is only a 1-point deficit for the Team Daraga.
It's a neck-and-neck ball game right now.
Ito naman yung inaasahan natin, Coach, di ba?
Yes, ito yung dahilan kung bakit yung mga tao ay jam-packed right now here in this covered court.
Hindi mahulugang karayom. Del Rosario with a 3.
There's Del Rosario right now having a hard time scoring.
And Asanya with a fake. Pero wala, sa kanya pa rin yun. At ang bola ay nananatili sa Team Daraga. Chope with the leader. Match to the delight of the proud fans of the Daraga.
Napakaganda sana nung pasa ni Caspe kanina, and hindi lang yun na convert. So but Chope is there to save the day.
Borbe with a short jumper. Mintis yun. At ang bola ay mananatili sa mga naka-blue. Santos, pinihit and scoring.
Both teams right now are earning their scores, their points inside the paint. Pareho sila, they are going inside, especially attacking the basket.
And right now, Del Rosario stepping on the gas. Borbe! That shot put, pero merong foul na nakuha doon.
That's a little bit of fancy pass coming from Del Rosario, and because of that, hindi nila na-contain kung yung maganda nilang fast break, and yung rhythm ng fast break na yun ay nasira. So, but nakuha pa rin nila yung offensive rebound, but still cannot convert.
And right now, partner, hindi lang tayo merong mammoth crowd inside the Daraga covered court. Even sa live broadcast natin, we have a 4.7 live viewers.
Yes, that's a nice thing to celebrate right now.
But right now, Team Legazpi is still celebrating because nandyan pa rin sa kanila ang kalamangan. And right now, JJ Caspe has the chance to grab the lead back to their side.
And also, I'm also celebrating seeing these beautiful faces in our monitor. Thanks to our cameraman.
Talagang. And Caspe with his first shot is good. And tabla na tayo. This is the first deadlock of our ball game.
Yes.
6 minutes and 6 seconds.
Ito yung inaasahan nating ball game. Yung panaka-naka yung score. Papalit-palit yung score.
At merong foul.
More deadlocks and more change of lead.
That's the second personal foul already for Albaitar. So that's big on the part of Team Daraga. You don't want to lose any big man na meron ka.
Yes, especially 6 minutes pa lang sa second quarter ang nalalabi. So kailangan mo yung mga big man na yan. Lalong-lalo na itong Team Daraga and Team Legazpi are earning their scores inside the basket.
And in that last sequence, another foul is called for Albaitar, and that's his third. At papalitan siya muna dito siguro ni Gadon. Mananatili ang possession sa Team Legazpi with 14 seconds on their shot clock.
Si Gadon, di ba Manila to?
Oo, import.
Siguro, ano to, di ba kamag-anak to ni Attorney Larry Gadon? Di ba?
Pamangkin siya.
Sabi na. Medyo may hawig sila eh.
And again, another foul. That's the fourth team foul. And the hat shooting Dong Ming Hamal is in the court right now.
And also, these beautiful faces are in the court as well.
Borbe, he wants to attack, but he loses the basketball. And right now, Caspe to Gadon. Gadon with a jumper. Wala. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa Team Legazpi. Del Rosario stepping on the gas and attacking and making his layup.
Both teams, Daraga and Legazpi, when they get the ball from a rebound, they're already looking at the rim at the end of the court. Tinitingnan na nila kung anong pwedeng mangyari sa fast break.
Borbe with that shot put. Pero hindi niya nakuha ang puntos na yon.
Meron talagang tira yan dyan sa mid-range. Especially makita mo yung tira niya, napakataas. Mahirap tapalan yung tirang yun.
Santiago gustong sumagot doon pero namintis niya. And Santos right now is running. Borbe, mintis again para kay Borbe. Chope right now running.
Borbe missing 2 consecutive shots right there.
And yung last na yon ay open na sana siya. And a foul is called on Dong Meng Hamal. That's his first. And we have a timeout here para sa Team Daraga. Again, you can watch us live sa ating mga Facebook pages. Ako, Bicol Online TV. Ako, Bicol Party List. At sa page ni Representative Saldico. And we want to welcome you all sa dito inside sa Daraga covered court in front of this mammoth Sunday crowd.
In front of this very hot covered court that we have right now.
And definitely we are having a ball game right now with only 2-point lead for the Team Legazpi.
We have a temperature of summer right now, right in November.
Alfredo Pino Carbin and Christopher Tom. Magandang gabi sa inyo, sir.
As our arena announcer acknowledging the presence of our gentleman sa likod natin. And back to our action. Ang bola ay nasa Team Daraga with 14 seconds on their shot clock. Tingnan natin kung anong naiguhit ni Coach Tads Delgado para sa Team Daraga. Gaspe with a triple. Wala. And asking for a clear out is Gadon. Gadon attacking the heart of the defense of Team Legazpi.
Gadon has already an advantage there. Lalong-lalo na pag nakakuha siya ng bola dyan sa loob, ipipilit niya yan. Lalong-lalo na siya ang pinakamatangkad dyan.
Sabayo with a short stab. Wala. At deadlock once again with 32 points apiece. Santiago. Gadon, hindi na niya titira doon. Aatake na lang siya. And he was blocked there by Borbe. And a 3 seconds violation called on Gadon.
Take a look at that very nice defense by Borbe. Hindi siya umalis sa harapan ni Gadon. Just moving his feet and also nakataas lang yung kamay niya. Especially yung kamay niya has a really long reach.
And a double screen action here. Del Rosario. Sabayo on top kontra kay Chope. Santos for the 3. Wala yun. At Santiago. Now Chope to Gadon. Gadon ilalagay na lang yan sa ring. At ngayon nakuha na ng Team Daraga ang kanilang unang kalamangan dito sa ating bakbakan.
Gadon, hindi lang pang post-up moves. Meron din para pang transition offense to. Tumatakbo rin pala tong malaking mamang to.
They are the both teams right now wanting to run and run.
Yes, kanina pa natin nakikita yun. First quarter pa lang, takbuhan na ng takbuhan. Second quarter, nakikita natin, takbuhan pa rin ang takbuhan. Pati tayo, medyo hinihigil na rin. Habol sa kanila.
And we are just under the 4-minute mark ng ating first half. At ngayon po ay nakuha na ang kalamangan ng Team Daraga. Pero Santos is looking to tie this game again.
We are witnessing a lot of free throws right now. Trip to the free throw line.
And Mabayo will check in for the Team Legazpi. Papalitan niya muna si Santos.
That's a deadlock. 34 all.
And si Aspi pala binalik na rin para sa Team Daraga. Gaspe, malayong tira. And again, that shot of Gaspe is way off.
And especially, makita mo yung fouls, team fouls ng both teams. Pareho na sila. Pareho na sila. Pag nag-foul sila, pareho sila. They will trip to the free throw line.
Del Rosario, Meng Hamal. Pull up. Wala at ang rebound is secured by Asanya and Aspe. Will look to attack Aspe. Pero si Gadon, andun din si Chope. Muntik pang makuha yung end one opportunity. And Chope will troop to the line for another 2 free throws with 2 minutes and 58 seconds sa ating game clock dito sa first half.
Right now, Team Daraga is maximizing what they have right now. Mayroon silang Gadon at Chope na parehong matangkad at parehong mahaba yung galamay. So they are maximizing these players inside the paint, grabbing this rebound, grabbing this offensive rebound, and having this putbacks.
And Chope for another free throw.
Last throw.
Ang kasama ngayon niya na 5 para sa Team Daraga is Asanya, Gadon, Chope, Aspe, and Gaspe. Sa kabilang team naman para sa Team Legazpi, Del Rosario, Mabayo, Meng Hamal, Diaz, and Sabayo. Another double screen action there. Mabayo on top. He launches, and he makes it. A long 2 for Mon Mabayo.
Mabayo, nakita niya na naka-drop coverage kanina si Gadon. So he makes Gadon pay for that drop coverage defense that he has.
Gandang coverage doon ni Mabayo on that backdoor cut. Gaspe launches. Pero Asanya is underneath. But he misses his putback there. Meng Hamal to Diaz. Diaz with a fake, with a fade away. At hindi na mako-convert doon. And Chope climbing up to the ladder for that 2 points.
Chope is slowly showing for Team Daraga right now. Ngayon, right now, siya ang bumubuhat ng Team Daraga. Karamihan sa puntos ngayon na nakukuha niya sa second quarter is, nakukuha ng Daraga sa second quarter is from Chope.
And ang bola ay mananatili kay Diaz para sa Team Legazpi. Diaz. Right now, those are 4 shots on the part of Team Legazpi. So, ibig sabihin, the defense right now of Team Daraga.
Yes, they already adjusted. Nakita nila na si Diaz ang nagpasiklab. So, they make them pay by defending him well right now.
The first milestone achieved, Direct Christian, 5.1 thousand viewers
Yay!
for this game.
Magpapasnak si Direk. Salamat sa dinner, Direk, mamaya.
The question right now, can we beat that 10,000 viewers doon sa Ligao City Gymnasium? And Mabayo is at the line right now.
Wala pa, partner. Nasa second quarter pa lang tayo. Mamaya pa yan. Nagbabalita pa sila na.
Mabayo, 2 for 2 from the line.
And ngayon ang bola kay Aspe with 90 seconds left sa ating first half.
This is a good matchup right now, having Aspe and Diaz going head to head in the guard spots of both teams.
Foul by number 18, Mabayo. Second personal foul for Mabayo.
Aspe is
Aspe shooting for 2.
on the line right now to even this scoring with his 2 free throws. 1 minute and 19 seconds for our first half.
Ito yung hindi natin ini-expect na matchup, na napakagandang matchup na nakita natin ngayon, yung Aspe versus Diaz.
Oo.
It's a nakikita ko na to nung high school tong mga to. It's a BC versus Tanchuling Eagles matchup.
And Aspe making sure of that one. And we have another deadlock here. As we are approaching the 1 minute mark of our ball game. Diaz and Meng Hamal way off. At ayan, tumatakbo na si Aspe with the layup all alone.
Aspe with that very famous giant stride of him.
Oo.
Nasa may 3-point, sa 3-point pa lang, nagda-giant stride na siya. Napakalayo ng mga strides.
And another foul there on Tristan Pispis.
Foul by number 31, Pispis.
And Meng Hamal will group to the line for 2 free throws.
Meng Hamal is very off from the 3-point line right now. So, baka tingnan natin, baka sa free throw line, mag-start ang kanyang shooting.
Meng Hamal shooting for 2.
At this guy is a very deadly shooter way back then. Isang kilalang shooter to, si Meng Hamal. Maya-maya lang. Shooter's gonna shoot. Anyway.
But he misses both of his free throw and Liantero. At nakapulot din ng foul doon.
Napakalamig ng shooting nito ngayon ni Meng Hamal na pati sa free throw, nag-0 out of 2 siya doon. And because of that, he gave this frustration foul to give Liantero to trip to the free throw line for 2 shots.
And Liantero On the other hand, making sure of his free throw. A big turnaround right now. Team Daraga with a 3-point advantage kontra dito sa Legazpi. Ano yung ginagawa nilang tama, Coach, ngayon dito para sa Team Daraga?
Team Daraga is capitalizing their tall lineup right now. Pinapasok nila yung mas malalaki na mga players nila. Yung front court nila ang kanilang ginagawang sandalan ngayon. So, nung dumating, nung nasa loob kanina si Chope and si Gadon, they are nanalasa sila doon sa paint. And right now, nandito na ngayon si
And Aspe right now attacking Asanya. What a pass once more for Dazzle Paul Aspe, leaving Asanya wide open. Sabayo.
Aspe is really passing artist.
And another one, Asanya. Peace, open from the corner. And a shot from Aspe on that corner. Another 3-point shot with 3 seconds to go.
Pace really as a shooting there at the corner.
So, a late run for Team Daraga right now, enjoying a 9-point lead here in our ball game. Magbabalik po kami for more action dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal. Nahahanapan lang kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa indo Kanako Bicol Party List. Asimkan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nakiuran ako sa imo. Ara mo may akong anak kita relasyon ka.
Ara mo palang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung sa maskara, wala kitisyon din. Nampagitan na sa amon, mga sariyo ito na sana.
Kung di sana nagadan sa akin, wala man ako sa iya magad sa pinto.
Magandang gabi mga kasurog. Kasama lang natin si Congressman Alfred Gorbin at si Mayor Awin Baldo. So, good evening po sa inyo. And Mayor, matanong ko lang po, ano po bang masabi nyo na meron tayong Ako Bicol Cup 2022?
Itong Ako Bicol Cup meron, yung iba wala. And kung makikita nyo, daming tao. Kasi kahit nga kami natitense, grabe ang adrenaline ba.
Thank Thank you, Mayor. May gusto po ba kayong batiin? Or sabihin sa players?
Sa mga players ko, keep it up. And sa mga taga-Daraga, manood po kayo na ako Bicol Cup. Iba pong experience pag nanonood kayo dito ng live.
Thank you, Mayor. And good evening, Kong. Ano po bang masabi nyo ngayon sa progress ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022?
We feel the excitement of each Albayanos, mga taga-Daraga, Legazpi, and all towns who have participated sa paliga. Talagang mahiling ta ang pakisumaro, as in pagsuporta sa inda mga players sa Lambang Munisipyo. And kami man, ni Mayor Baldo and the rest of the mayors and the leaders of Albay are motivated to do more with this kind of activity, sports activity, in order to hone o ma-develop so potential ka mga players ta. And aside from that, to provide more sports facilities, nakonsaya ng Ako Bicol Party List together with Mayor Baldo and the rest of the leaders of Albay, Congressman Joey Salceda, will be providing those facilities, training facilities, tangani makapag-practice as in mapahiling ang talento kan lambang atletang basketballista Bicolano as in Albayanos.
Thank you, Kong. Thank you po. At magbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal. Nahahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. At sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Kasi oran ako sa imo. Aram mo may akong anak kitagrelasyon ka.
Aram ko lang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Ako dito sa Baskaran, wala kitis yung napagitan na sa amon. Mga sabi ito na sana.
Kung di sana nagadan sa akin, wala man ako sa iya magad sa pinto.
And we are back inside here sa Daraga Covered Court sa munisipyo ng Daraga, Albay. And again, pinapakitaan tayo ng tunay na laro. Pero right now, the smiles is on the side of Team Daraga with a 9-point lead. Ngayon, ano nangyari doon sa ating first half, Coach?
Hindi pa talaga sila dapat mag-smile kasi itong Team Legazpi is very capable of coming back to the ball game. Both teams are running kanina from the start of the first quarter up to second quarter. So, but nanaig lang itong Daraga because of yung mga big mans nila. They capitalize the size of their breaks inside the paint. So, dun sila bumawi. And now Aspe is scoring 10 points, 3 rebounds and 3 assists for Team Daraga. While in Team Legazpi, Diaz is surprisingly having his 14 points career point and 1 rebound, 1 assist and 2 steals.
And Borbe starting well sa ating third quarter, hitting his 3-point shot. This is only a 6-point ball game. Aspe sasagot. And sasagot din talaga si Dazzle Paul Aspe with his own version of a 3-point shot.
Yes, the 3-point shot version of Aspe is very calm and natural naman talaga sa kanya yung very calm demeanor. Because of napakakalma niya, hindi alam ng depensa kung anong gagawin sa kanya, kung anong gagawin niya.
But in that last sequence na foul doon, si Sabayo, that is Santos. And Santos will troop to the line to trim down this lead to at least 7 points.
Alam mo yung maganda dito na naririnig ko ngayon sa covered court, partner?
Oh.
Etong ice cream. ito talaga ang highlight nitong covered court.
And Santos missing his both free throw shot.
First time ko nakakita sa isang basketball game na mayroong ice cream bell.
Aspe with a hesitation. Aspe kick out to Pispis, open for 3 for Pispis. Another kick out that coming from Aspe.
Yes, Dazzle Aspe. That's his favorite move. Sasalaksak niyan and di mo alam, biglang may mau-open na lang sa corner or either corner or wing.
And another steal there. Pispis all alone for the layup. Much to the delight of the crowd supporting Team Daraga.
Yes, Pispis now is a magic bunot by Coach Delgado.
And another miss. And right now, what is happening on the side of Team Legazpi?
Yung Team Legazpi right now medyo nararattle sila ngayon. They are losing their composure right now na they are seeing this razzle-dazzle plays coming from Team Daraga.
And a bullet through the needle. Yung pasa na yon. And short doon sa tira. Si Del Rosario and babalik ang bola sa mga taga-Daraga. With again, right now, the lead of Daraga ballooning to a 16-point ball game.
They are very lucky there na hindi sila tinawagan ng offensive foul dun sa 3-point area kanina kay Del Rosario.
And right now, pa konti-konti ay umaalagwa na ang Team Daraga with the 3-point shooting right now and the penetration of Aspe.
Right now, Team Legazpi look like they're lost in the middle of nowhere.
Chope being hounded by the two guys from the Legazpi. Now Del Rosario stepping on the gas. He wants to attack but stripped by Aspe. Pero mananatili ang bola sa Team Legazpi with 19 seconds on their shot clock.
Let's take a look at Team Legazpi kung ano ang gagawin nila ngayon.
A good find there for Del Rosario. Pero hindi lang yun na-convert ni Milagrosa. And Milagrosa gone quiet.
Yes,
dito
right
sa
now,
ating ball game.
Right now, even Alvin Milagrosa is struggling. Na, kahit yung napakalibreng tira, hindi niya may shoot.
What a crossover there for Mon Mabayo making his layup.
Legazpi really badly needed that shot right now. Kailangan nila yun para mabuhay ang kanilang composure.
But Aspe, sinasagot din naman kaagad ang mga tira ng Team Legazpi.
That really hurts. Naghahabol ka tapos bigla kang titirahan ng ganun.
Santos with his 3-point shot.
Kung mapapansin mo, partner, napakahirap ng ginagawa ng Team Legazpi para ma-shoot ang bola. Pero sa kabila, napakasimple lang. Like that.
And that 3-point shot made by Santos will definitely waken up this Team Legazpi. Del Rosario to Milagrosa at nagkagawa ng bola at ang ball possession ay mapupunta para sa mga taga-Daraga as we are approaching to our 7-minute mark ng ating third quarter action. Team Daraga right now sitting on a comfortable margin with 13-point lead.
Yes, kung mapapansin mo pala, itong Team Daraga ay composed of more players from Bicol College Maroons. Like this, si Liantero, si Monsalve, and also si Aspe.
Santiago pa eh. You have to add
yes.
Santiago.
With the addition of this Falcon, Divine Word Falcon na si Pispis.
A former Defenders of Fate.
Yes,
Talagang
defenders as well.
Oo. Strict shooter din talaga tong si Pispis. But right now, Liantero is at the line for 2 free throws.
Pispis is very known for his 3-point shots. Very streaky and very consistent 3-point shots. Parang Reggie Miller lang. And that's a good connection na ilagay mo si Aspe and si Pispis. Because Aspe, if he drives, tapos biglang mag-collapse yung depensa sa loob, he will find you. Lalong-lalo na si Pispis, he will find you in the corner. Ang gagawin mo na lang is to drain that shot.
And right now, the 5 on the floor for the Team Daraga, Pispis and Caspe, are both in the floor. So definitely, we have to expect the kick-out passes of Team Daraga to these two hot shooting guy.
Yes, napakaganda din naman ng ginagawang adjustments dito ni Coach Delgado, putting these shooters around Aspe so that mas madali ang buhay ni Aspe pag nag-kick out siya.
Santos with a long two there. At ayan na si Caspe. Malayong tira yon, pabandang tira, wala. And Asanya for another offensive rebound and another putback.
Ito yung nakikita natin na pumapatay sa Legazpi talaga kanina pa. Sinimulan ni Chope, ngayon pati si Asanya ginagawa na rin sa kanila. The offensive rebounds, you cannot let these people bully you inside. Kailangan, you need to put the bodies on them.
At yun nga ang susubukan gawin ng Team Legazpi. They have the possession right now with 17 seconds on their shot clock. Popping out is Mabayo kontra kay Aspe. Mabayo, muntik pang maipasok yung layup na yon, pero he will troop to the line to trim this lead down to 13 points.
Right now, only Mabayo is Mabayo is the only spark in this Team Legazpi right now. Siya lang ang nakikita kong medyo may mayroon pang natitirang spark.
And Team Legazpi right now definitely need the spark coming from a monster Mabayo. But Mabayo cannot do it alone.
And also Diaz, medyo binuhusan na ng tubig ngayon. Kanina, he's very hot. He is unconscious. But now, he's back on earth.
Oh. Mabayo with his last free throw. And he makes it.
Wala pa rin maisagot itong Team Legazpi dito sa matatangkad na front court ng Daraga.
Caspe doing the honor of bringing down the ball for Team Daraga, calling for a play.
If you can see, pati yung forward nila na si Asanya is also a long man.
Monsalve! Ang gandang hanap na naman doon. Right now, nakikita natin the execution of the offensive plays are playing a big part sa ating ball game.
So, napakadali na i-execute kung anong gusto mong i-execute. Lalong-lalo na gusto mong i-exploit ang ilalim, ma-exploit mo yung ilalim. Gusto mong i-exploit yung ibabaw, yung 3-point area, ma-exploit mo yung 3-point area. Ang pinaka-importante lang nandyan si Aspe sa loob because this guy has the highest IQ that I've ever seen here in Albay.
And I have to agree to you, Coach Ranji, in that description. At mukhang may foul tayo doon.
For you as a player, lalo pag meron kang kakamping ganito, for you as a player, napakadali ng buhay mo. Kung ikaw, big man, kung ikaw, shooter, napakadali ng buhay mo basta meron kang kakamping ganito.
And we have a timeout called here with under the 6-minute mark ng ating third quarter act of action. And right now, still, Team Daraga sitting on a comfortable margin with 13-point lead kontra dito sa Team Legazpi. And right now, if you are the Team Daraga right now, Coach Ranji, what is the things you need to do para ma-maintain mo ang kalamangan na to?
Unang-una, hindi mo kailangang, you don't need to change something that is not broke. Kung hindi, wala naman kailangan baguhin, wag mong babaguhin. Lalong-lalo na it is very successful for you. Doon, i-maximize lang nila kung anong meron sila, i-maximize nila yung tangkad nila, yung paint, the scores inside the paint.
Kaya yun nga susubukan gawin ng Team Daraga with this possession. Under 14 seconds on their shot clock. Monsalve on the corner is looking for his teammate Piece with a shot that will fall short, and everybody's diving for that ball. And another foul there is called.
Piece is really automatic. Pag binigay mo sa kanya, talagang ipo-pull up niya na yan.
And he has the green light from Coach Tads Delgado to
Very
take those
confident.
threes.
Very confident.
It's
May lisensya, kumbaga, may lisensya.
It's just a matter of time na itong si Tristan Piece ay puputok from the 3-point country. And they have another chance to have a bigger lead. And Santos right now.
Lucky break for Team Legazpi. Hindi nila natawagan ng foul doon sa 3-point area.
Santos with a nice layup, and meron pang foul doon.
Nangalabaw si Santos. Another one. Another spark for Legazpi.
Badly needed shot for the Team Legazpi for them to be woken up in this ball game.
So nawala si Mabayo. Ito si Santos.
Saving the day.
Saving the day.
And he makes sure of his free throw. And right now, this is only a 10-point ball game.
If you're Team Daraga, hindi mo kailangan mag-settle down right now. Kailangan mong maging consistent sa kung anong ginagawa ninyo kanina. Because this Team Legazpi, any moment kayang bumalik dito sa ball game.
At yun nga, hindi hahayaang mangyari ni Caspe with that layup. Del Rosario looking for Santos. Santos with a fadeaway three. And I guess that's a bad shot on the part of Santos. Medyo minadali niya yung tira niyang yon.
This Team Legazpi should really put emphasis on their rebounding, their defensive rebounding, and also their backsouting kasi nadadamihan na silang offensive rebound kanina pa.
And we have a double foul there.
And come Eman.
And Eman Faraon calling that double foul.
Eman giving some words to the players.
Monsalve and Santos will be called for a double foul there.
Sometimes kailangan talaga ng officials na maging ganun for them to control the game, lalong-lalo na kung napaka-intense nito.
Aspe with the basketball. And a hard screen there. And good.
Yeah, that's a really obvious foul from Albaitar. Nakita niya na sinusundan ni sino ba yun? Si Aspe ba yun? Sinusundan niya kanina. Si Stray is trailing and then nakita niya, so linagay niya yung katawan niya and he bumped Aspe.
And right now the veteran guy is checking in for the Team Daraga with Chagi Arrienda is on the floor right now for the Team Daraga.
Ito na, kabarangay ko to. Yan sa kabila, sa likod ng bahay lang namin to. The pride of PNP.
Oo. We are under 5 minutes sa ating third quarter of action. Labanan ng Albay Clasico featuring Legazpi versus Daraga.
At ngayon, pumasok na si Kagiwa.
And another still good coverage doon kay Aspe. And Aspe stepping on the gas and he dishes out to Caspe. The Aspe and Caspe connection is really here.
Whenever Aspe is on the open court, you need to really expect na mayroong pasa na mangyayari. Mayroong something beautiful pass.
And in that last sequence, tawagan ng foul si Asanya defending Santos. And Santos right now, both teams ay nasa penalty na. So Santos will troop to the line for another 2 shots.
I am sensing a very long 4 minutes right now na parehong nasa penalty na itong dalawang teams na ito. And they are playing physical ball game right now.
Santos very comfortable on shooting his free throws.
Now Diaz, minamantoman niya na si Aspe, full court.
Arrienda mintis doon with his first shot. And Del Rosario now with the ball. Binabantayan ng P-Space and he looks to attack. And he makes his layup. At may kasama pang foul. Again, right now, Del Rosario picking up his game and he wants to take over, I guess.
Nangangalabaw na si Del Rosario.
And an early adjustment, a quick adjustment on the part of Team Daraga. Inilabas sila si Pispis and bring in Chope.
Yes, nakita kasi nila na si Pispis ang punteriya ngayon ng opensa ng Team Legazpi, lalong-lalo na sa last play na yon kay Del Rosario. Nakita niya si Pispis ang nasa harap niya. So he attacks it immediately.
Caspe with a long 3. What a rainbow! That's a rainbow coming from JJ Caspe.
Caspe may mga panakanakang puntos na doon.
Gustong sagutin ni Diaz pero wala doon, and Hamuragan will be called for a foul.
And now Diaz is very cold now from the outside. Biglang nanlamig si Diaz from that very beautiful start that he has in the first quarter.
What a ball game we are seeing right now. Ito yung gusto ng crowd. And all of us.
Pero konti lang yan.
Oo. Very manageable lead.
Very manageable. Especially here in Team Legazpi ang naglalaro. Team Legazpi ang nasa other side ng lead. So if Team Legazpi is ang naghahabol, medyo mayroon pang may pagkakataon kasi they can really come back
because of their guns na nandyan sa kanilang lineup. They're definitely going to crawl back to this game.
Kailangan lang nila mayroong magsimula ng spark.
And Del Rosario, binabantayan ni Chope. Del Rosario with a leaner.
Speaking of spark,
yun
may
na nga.
nag-uumpisa na.
Caspe. Now, kontra kay Del Rosario. He went to Aspe. Aspe right now directing traffic for the Team Daraga. And he launches his 3. Malakas lang doon.
Yes, they just need to settle down. Hindi nila kailangan ng mga ganon. Sayang yung mga possessions na makukuha nila.
We can give the credit to the defense of Team Legazpi forcing the Team Daraga to take that 4th shot.
But they need to capitalize at the other end of the court.
Del Rosario.
Hindi pwedeng didepensa ka tapos hindi ka kumukonek sa kabila.
Another 3-point shot there for Joshua James Diaz.
Yan, narinig ako ni Diaz.
That's his 3rd 3-pointer here in our ball game.
Sabi mo, malamig pala ha. Eto, mainit pa ako.
Chope cannot handle the ball well. Caspe with under 10 on the shot clock. Caspe. At yun, na-secure na ang board ni Mabayo.
Now Legazpi slowly having an adjustment on defense. Napakaganda ng depensa nila.
And Arrienda with a foul there underneath. And I guess Mabayo will head to the line for 2 free throws. Ano nga sinasabi natin, this is only an 11-point ball game.
Yes, at saka paunti-unti nang gumaganda ang perimeter defense ng Team Legazpi. Nakita mo kanina si Casper walang mapuntahan doon. Tumama lang yung bola sa ilalim ng ring. And also pumapasok na rin yung mga free throws nila. They're scoring sa free throw line. Ito ang pinakamaganda pag naghahabol ka because the clock is freeze and you're scoring.
Oo. At Mabayo looking to bring this down to a single-digit deficit. At yun nga ang nagawa niya doon.
They just need to make Daraga pay for that fouls that they have given the Team Legazpi.
And a fresh face for Team Daraga. Nidwa checking in sa ating ball game. With under 3 minutes to go sa ating third quarter. Chope, he wants to attack.
That's a good matchup. Coach Nuki putting Sabayo on Chope in the perimeter, and now Chope having a hard time.
And back to the Legazpi. Del Rosario Milagrosa. Milagrosa is still quiet here in our ball game. Sabayo, he wants to attack. At hindi niya lang na-convert ang kanyang layup.
Again, slowly itong Legazpi, they're earning their points from the free throw line. Dito sila humahabol.
And 2 minutes and 2 seconds left sa ating third quarter.
This is an indication na napakarami ng mga veterano dito sa Legazpi. They can fish for a shot if they want. I mean, they can fish for a foul if they want.
Sabayo hitting his first free throw. And he wants to bring this down to 7-point deficit.
Yes, single digit na lang pala yung lamang. And sabi ko sa iyo kanina, partner, hindi malayo na makakahabol itong Team Legazpi, lalong-lalo na they are picking up their defense in the perimeter already. And also, marami silang mga veterano.
Liantero with the ball. He wants to give it to Aspe.
Buti na lang di siya napatawagan ng foul sa katimit niya.
Pero he decided to attack and he went successful.
That's a miscommunication on their part.
Mabayo sa gilid. Diaz missing his 3-point shot. At ayan na, tumatakbo ang Daraga. Stop and pop action. And another rainbow shot from the 3-point country. JJ Caspe hitting another 3-point shot.
Yes. Late in the ball game, Caspe is now hot. Tatlong 3 points agad ang binitawan niya dito sa third quarter.
But in that short corner, Diaz is there to silence the crowd for the Team Daraga.
Ito si Diaz, sinasabi niya na akala nyo wala na ako, meron pa ako. Ito.
Bagsak doon si Diaz. Chope. Now to Aspe. Aspe, he wants to attack. He drops off to Nidwa. Nidwa. At nakapulot ng foul doon kay Mabayo. At parang medyo nasaktan doon si Diaz.
It's a 5-on-4 situation. There is a lucky break for Team Legazpi na hindi sila naputusan. But they got the foul na they need to earn it from the free throw line.
And with under a minute to go sa ating third quarter, and a tactical substitution there, Amuragan. They want to preserve the fouls of Mabayo.
Hamuragan is another banger inside.
Nidwa making sure of his first free throw.
Etong both teams na ito, napakaganda ng percentage nila sa free throw line. Talagang hindi nila sinasayang. Speaking of sinasayang, may isa nang nasayang.
And I guess that's an early entry called there by our referee. So the ball will go now sa Team Legazpi. With 50.7 seconds on our third frame.
It's only 11-point lead right now with 50 seconds. So, kayang-kaya pa to. Ibaba lang nila sa single-digit lead before the end of the third quarter, and then let's see from there.
Sabayo attacking the defense of Chope, pero he wasn't successful. Caspe open for the three. And he misses that shot.
There's a unsportsmanlike foul there coming from.
And I guess we have a unsportsmanlike
Yes.
foul call there on Del Rosario. And Aspe will troop to the line to shoot 2 free throws plus ball possession under 34.9 seconds.
This will hurt Team Legazpi right now kasi naghahabol sila, and kailangan nila ang every possession and every stops that they can get. Pero pag mapupuntasan ka ng ganito na wala man lang kalaban-laban, this will really hurt Team Legazpi.
And right now, sabi mo nga coach kanina, Team Legazpi cannot afford to give bonus shot or free throws dito sa Team Daraga, especially they are doing so well on making those free throw shots.
Yes, napakaganda na sana ng mga depensa nila. Napakaganda ng perimeter defense na pinapakita nila, but now simpleng ganito lang, masasaktan ng paghahabol nila.
And right now, Team Daraga, they can opt for a 2-for-1 possession here with 34.9 seconds.
Especially, it's just in the 34-second mark.
Aspe right now calling for that play. Popping out is Caspe. Binabantayan ni Meng Hamal. A ball screen there. Caspe! At muntik pa niyang maipasok yun. At the Legazpi now running. Stepping on the gas is Milagrosa. Nabitin lang yun. And Sabayo, Diaz. At nakapulot pa ng foul doon kay Aspe. That's a good hustle on the part of Team Legazpi.
Yes. The surprise attack is still there. Yung secret weapon ng Legazpi na sinasabi natin is still there. Diaz is still showing his prowess, lalong-lalo na yung hustle play, not giving up on that missed shot by Alvin Milagrosa, and nakuha niya pa yung putback plus the foul.
And right now, Diaz will have the chance to trim down the lead to at least 10 points. With 22.2 seconds left para sa ating third frame.
10 points is very manageable if he shoots this.
And he makes sure of that one.
They need a stop right now. They need a stop.
Nidwa, he wants to attack. Nidwa, and he is successful challenging the defense of Sabayo.
And now Team Legazpi, they need to score before the clock ends for the momentum.
Under 10 seconds to go for our third quarter. Meng Hamal with a three. Medyo pilit yung tirang yon, coach.
You don't need to force the shot right now. Just look for the open man and see. Let's see from there.
And right now, 4.2 seconds. Definitely, Team Daraga can have the last shot here. Caspe running. Caspe. At nakapulot pa ng foul doon.
The sad thing there is walang sumalubong doon sa gitna. Kaya walang ibang magagawa na yung ibang depensa na mag-collapse but to foul him.
And that's a good recognition of JJ Caspe of the clock. Running down the floor and getting that foul. And again, he has the chance to add or make this a 14-point ball game.
Yes. And also good recognition that walang tao sa gitna kaya inatake niya yon.
Oo, kesa sa itira niya doon sa napakalayong tirang yon.
Right now, Team Daraga is making good decisions more good decisions than Team Daraga. I mean, Team Legazpi.
At yun na nga po ang ating third quarter of action. Muli, Team Daraga magbabaon ng 14 puntos na kalamangan kontra dito sa Team Legazpi. Magbabalik po kami sa umaatikabong bakbakan for the fourth and final quarter ng Albay Clasico. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal. Nahahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito ka na ko Bicol Party List. Asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldi ko. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
And we are back dito sa loob ng Daraga Covered Court para sa umaatikabong bakbakan. Team Legazpi versus Team Daraga. But right now, Team Daraga enjoying a 14-point lead. And Coach Raji, ano nangyayari dito sa ating ball game?
Third quarter, eto na, bumulusok na si Caspe. Napapansin natin first quarter and second quarter, napaka-cold nito. Pero nung third quarter, nung bumulusok to, biglang nagkaroon dyan na 23 points, 4 rebounds and 4 assists. Ngayon, second leading scorer na lang si Aspe with 17 points. Pero sinasagot pa rin sila ni Diaz sa kabila with 21 points already.
And a missed shot there for Santos and Gadon securing the board for Team Daraga. At ayan na naman ang mga taga-Daraga. Liantero, he wants to give the ball to Aspe. Binabantayan ngayon siya ni Diaz.
Aspe, 4 assist away for a double-double.
Liantero for another shot. And he makes it. Del Rosario right now. He wants to attack. Pero a good defense once again on the part of Team Daraga.
Itong Legazpi, unti-unti nang nagko-collapse yung composure nila. Nagmamadali na sila sa kabila. That's why nabibitawan na lang yung mga bola. They're committing a lot of turnovers that etong Daraga have converted into baskets.
Liantero with another board there. At mananatili ang bola sa Team Daraga. Liantero kontra kay Meng Hamal. Iikutan niya yan at nakapulot na naman ng another foul kay Meng Hamal. And Liantero will troop to the line for another 2 free throws.
And Liantero putting a little bit of antics in the face of Ming Amal.
Liantero for his first free throw. Nothing but net dun sa kanyang unang free throw.
Ito si Ming Amal, wala pa lang na ibubuslo ito kanina pa.
He is heavily guarded at alam ng mga team Daraga na talagang markman itong si Meng Hamal. Del Rosario right now directing traffic. He wants to clear out for Santos. Santos attacking Santos. And a good help defense there for Liantero.
Ito alam na ni Santos ni Liantero kung anong gagawin niya kay Santos kasi dating teammate niya to sa BC.
And Borbe, naupo to ng matagal-tagal sa bench ng Legazpi.
Tingnan natin kung malamig ba yung puwet nito.
Del Rosario attacking. Pero nandun yung depensa ni Chope.
That's an explosive move from Del Rosario.
At na-recover naman yan ng Team Legazpi. Del Rosario, he wants to attack. And another good defense there for the Team Daraga. And Chope right now running. He will fly. And he misses the layup. And sa
Mapapansin
kabilang
mo,
dulo,
pilit na yung ginagawa ng Legazpi ngayon.
Diaz exploding to the basket.
This is what you call the bara-bara plays now. Nagsisimula na silang mamilit.
Leantero.
Tingnan natin kung may bubugatong bara-bara plays ng Legazpi right now.
A good cut there for Aspe. Aspe. Kick out. Leantero open for 3. Short yun at ang bola ay mapuputa sa panig ng Team Legazpi.
Nope.
And a foul there on Leantero to stop the fast break opportunity of the Team Legazpi.
Officially, Com Eman controlling the bench of
And
Team Daraga.
We have to wait for the call.
Because the bench of Team Daraga is so intense right now. As we can hear the chants of Team Daraga, I mean the crowd here in Daraga, they are chanting this famous football chant. A little bit of sarcasm to the Team Legazpi to go home.
And right now we are taking a look at the huddle of our referees coming from Naga. And we are just waiting for the final call in that last sequence.
As you can see, the referees, the uniform of the referees, mayroong NCAA na nakalagay sa dibdib nila. So these referees are already officiating in NCAA and also UAAP. Ito si Com Eman nag-officiate na to sa FIBA as an international international referee.
And we confirmed the call there, partner. A foul will be called on number 13, Leantero, for that last sequence. And Santos will be called for a technical foul for second motion.
Pero nakita ko doon si Leantero ang nagsimula ng
He wants to foul. He wants to stop the fast break opportunity.
Yes. But we need to trust what are the decisions of the referee because they are the ones inside the ball game. Sila na mas nakakakita.
And right now, Team Legazpi with the possession under 14 seconds on their shot clock. Borbe, Santos wants that ball. Kontra kay Gadon. He attacks. Sobrang gigil na ni Santos.
This is what I'm telling you, partner, kanina pa na etong Team Legazpi, they are already forcing the issue. They're forcing their offense right now. Masyadong pilit yung ginagawa nila na because of that, they're committing a lot of turnovers.
And right now, the time is on the side of Team Daraga. Caspe slicing through. At nabitawan niya ang bola. Pero napulot yun ni Diaz. He wants to attack. He drives. And he makes sure of that layup.
Diaz is still the only spark here in Team Legazpi.
And Santiago, he wants to waste some clock here. And Leantero on top. And a pop out on Caspe. Caspe drives with a floater off the glass.
That's an open layup, but just couldn't finish.
And the ball will stay on Team Legazpi.
Pagod na si Santos ngayon. He's just playing in his adrenaline rush. And that's a good decision for Coach Nuki na ipagpahinga si Santos and ipasok si Sabayo because Santos is already forcing the issue inside the paint right now.
But a bad sign here for the Team Daraga. It looks like that Caspe is cramping out.
Oh, this is not a good view for Team Daraga.
Pero ipapagpag lang yan.
Ayaw mong makita
Legazpi
na yung best player mo ay mawawala sa ball game.
There are still a lot of guns. Same goes with the Team Daraga.
And Villares, first time na makapasok sa ball game. Ngayon ko lang nakita to si Villares.
He played for a bit dun sa ating first quarter pero yun nga at na-bench out na agad siya ng Team Legazpi. Borbe with a shot put for 3. Jefferson Borbe.
And now, Borbe, this is what Team Legazpi needs. Kailangan nila na keep Borbe going kasi itong taong to kayang mag-explode nito.
Santiago dancing with Borbe right now. And he stop. He shoot.
And
Namikiseon and Borbe. And good hustle on the part of Santiago.
that shot was distracted by that long arm of Borbe. Gaano ba kahaba yung galamay nito? Napakahaba ng wingspan ito, partner, no?
And right now, we are nearing to our 6-minute mark of this ball game. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Del Rosario pulls up. At wala yun. The rebound will stay. Pero ando na si Gadon. The presence of the big guys of Daraga definitely iniiba ang mga tira ng Team Legazpi.
Yes, right now nakakakuha sila ng offensive rebound coming from their aggressiveness pero hindi nila ma-convert because of the front court na meron yung Daraga.
But Aspe hitting another shot there. Del Rosario kontra kay Liantero. Borbe, he wants another one and he misses his shot. And Aspe with the ball right now asking for a pick. Pero sabi ni Gadon, let's use some clock here.
Sabayo and Gadon nagkakapisikalan doon sa perimeter area.
Diaz. A foul call there on Aspe.
This may be the last push of Team Legazpi para makabalik sa game na ito.
And again, Team Legazpi checking in. Alvin Milagrosa, who's gone quiet for the whole, at least dito sa ating 5 minutes and 5 seconds sa ating game clock.
Oh, wala pa nga ata na-score to si Alvin Milagrosa. Talagang they are already marking Milagrosa right now.
Pero Mabayo is there to silence the crowd.
And don't look na, partner. It's just a 12-point lead.
Santiago kontra kay Milagrosa. Gadon on the elbow area kontra kay Sabayo. He wants to challenge the defense of Sabayo. And nakita niya the cutting chope sa baseline.
Ang maganda dito sa mga front court, sa mga big man itong Team Daraga, they cannot just post up but they can also make some beautiful passes.
But that in that sequence, Del Rosario with an end one. And he has the chance to bring this lead down to 11 points.
Yan lang kailangan ng Team Legazpi, paunti-unti. They need to be aggressive. Lalo-lalo na sa mga second chance points na nakukuha nila. Again, Santos going inside.
The Team Legazpi cannot afford to sit out Santos from the bench for a long time.
Yes,
they definitely needed a guy like Santos.
Yes, kailangan nila ng katawan na makikipagbugbugan sa ilalim. But Santos also, hindi niya kailangan na magpilit sa offensive end. He just need to play his part in the play his role in the defensive end, and sa kabila let his teammates do the work.
Chopper with the ball kontra kay Santos. Liantero. He wants a screen there from Asanya, and Liantero dropping off to Asanya for another short stab.
And Team Daraga right now can't miss. Napakalataas ng...
And Santos with his own version of a rainbow shot. Hindi pa tayo tapos.
Hindi pa tayo tapos. May mga mahikapang hinuhugot ang mga coaches natin from the bench.
And Monsalve one-on-one. And Asanya. And a 3 seconds violation call there for the Team Daraga.
It's just 10-point lead. And what's happening right now is Team Legazpi getting some stops at the other end of the court. Kailangan lang nila mag-convert.
And merong warning doon ang Team Daraga for a delay of game.
Mga tao dito sa covered court. Hindi pa ata to nagdi-dinner.
And right now, Del Rosario, he wants to attack. He throws the ball off the glass with his 2 points.
And don't look now, it's already 8-point lead.
At a good steal for Diaz. Del Rosario to Milagrosa. Overcooks it though. Babalik sa kanya ang bola at na-foul.
And Milagrosa still scoreless from this ball game.
And right now, he will be tested on the line. This is only an 8-point ball game. Anything can happen.
Yes. Kung malamig itong si Milagrosa magsimulang first quarter hanggang third quarter, kailangan niya nang ilabas ang kanyang huling alas dito sa fourth quarter. The Team Legazpi is badly needing his talents right now.
And Milagrosa trying to earn his confidence back dito sa kanyang free throws.
And slowly, we are seeing a very fantastic ball game right now. Lalong-lalo na humahabol tong Legazpi.
We have to definitely expect a wire-to-wire ball game, but Milagrosa still cannot via shot.
Yes, parang may takip ang ring sa mga tira ni Milagrosa. Hindi sa kanya mabait ngayon ang ring.
But then again, he has the chance for this another free throw. And he surely made that one. And Team Daraga right now, they need a veteran guard like Santiago to control this tempo of the ball game.
It's now 7-point lead. Konti na lang yan. And itong full court man-to-man pressure man-to-man na ina-apply ng Team Legazpi is very crucial to them.
Liantero. And an offensive foul will be called on Liantero.
Napaka-effective nitong full court man-to-man defense na ina-apply ngayon ng Team Legazpi.
And that is a bad sign there for the Team Daraga with Liantero fouling out of this ball game.
Yes, wala siyang madaanan doon. Na-trap siya doon ng dalawang naka-blue. So, hindi niya na alam kung saan niya papasa. So, naitapon niya yung bola. And committing an offensive foul.
And right now, sino kaya ang tatao kay Jonathan Del Rosario dito sa ball game? And right now, Santiago will do the honor to guard Del Rosario. A good cut there doon. Pero the ball will remain sa Team Legazpi with 13 seconds on their shot clock.
That's a good break for Team Legazpi. Mawawala na sana sa kanila. That's a dangerous pass.
Santos on the wing. At mapabalik ang bola
Another
sa Team Legazpi.
Another break for Team Legazpi. And nakapost na si...
Good seal there for Sabayo.
Napakaganda ng seal ni Sabayo doon.
And another steal for Tick Boys del Rosario. Borbe open for that shot. And he misses it though. Pero nandyan pa rin ang bola kay Del Rosario with his short stab. Wala. At marirecover na yan ni Santiago. And Aspe right now, he wants to attack.
That could be big.
He steps on the gas. Off the glass. Wala. At ayan na naman, tumatakbo si Diaz on the side. Santos with the layup. And right now, Team Daraga.
That's a big transition basket. That's a crucial transition basket that Team Legazpi has. Kailangan nila yung basket na yon. Ngayon, 3 na lang, partner.
And definitely, you don't look to our scoreboard. We are having an exciting and thrilling ball game right now.
Yes, kanina lang makikita natin it's a double-digit lead. And don't look now. Biglang naging 3 na lang.
And we have to give credit to the defense of Team Legazpi. And nakita natin kanina, Team Daraga nagbabadali.
Bigla sila ng pressure defense, ng pressure man-to-man defense itong Team Legazpi na nagtatrap doon sa gilid. So, this forces a lot of turnovers and easy baskets for Team Legazpi.
And right now, we are nearing to the twilight zone of our ball game. 2 minutes and 8 seconds ang nalalabi dito sa ating action-packed ball game. Definitely, I'm not wrong to call it Albay Clasico.
Yes, this is really definitely a treat to the huge crowd here inside this Daraga covered court.
And we have another timeout here. The crucial part here right now, Team Daraga with only 1 timeout left.
And Team Daraga is already in the penalty. So, ito ang medyo nagkakaroon ng advantage itong Team Legazpi because penalty na yung Team Daraga and yung Legazpi 2 pa lang. 2 team fouls pa lang.
At yun na nga ang ating game reset. 2 timeout ang natitira para sa Team Legazpi at sa side naman ng Team Daraga, only 1 timeout left.
So, nakakalamang po ngayon yung Daraga but yung ibang detalye, nakakalamang na yung Legazpi. Lalong-lalo na sa penalty situation at also sa timeout left na nakukuha nila.
That is right, Coach Ranji. And right now, the momentum is on the side of Team Legazpi. And still, nasa bench pa rin si JJ Caspe.
This is what I'm telling you a while ago, partner, na wag silang magre-rely sa wag silang masyadong maging kalmado kasi itong Team Legazpi can pull up a comeback anytime.
And right now, the ball is in the hands of Aspe under the twilight zone of our ball game. Last 2 minutes of our action. Nice pass by Aspe, pero Asanya cannot convert it. And bagsak doon si Asanya. And Diaz overcooks it at nabawi yan ni Aspe. And we have an official timeout there because nga bagsak doon si Asanya on the other side of our court.
This is not good. Asanya is a crucial, is a very important piece for this Daraga team. So kung mawawala ito, this is a big blow to this team.
And right now, I think Asanya is cramping on both on both feet. Nagka-cramps na si Asanya. Nakikita natin yung intensity of this ball game.
Yes. Samantala, yung fast break opportunity naman kanina ng Team Legazpi, kung nakapasok yun, that could be big for Team Legazpi. And that could put pressure to Team Daraga na, only makukuha nila is just 1 point lead if that basket connected.
And right now, 1 minute and 40 seconds left here in our ball game. We are experiencing a wire-to-wire ball game with this Albay Clasico, Legazpi versus Daraga, with only a 3-point differential sa kanilang scoring.
And this is 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining in the clock. Rami pa ng posibilidad na pwedeng mangyari.
And again, you can watch us live sa aming mga Facebook pages. Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, at sa page ni Representative Saldico. We are having a delightful numbers of viewers right now sa ating mga pages with 6.1K viewers na nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Yes, hindi na ata kailangan yung mga upuan. Lahat na nakatayo.
And right now, Aspe, with 15 on their clock, he wants to attack and test the defense of Diaz. Aspe attacking with his one-legged shot, and Chope, at mapupunta ulit ang bola sa Team Daraga. And Diaz losing that basketball. And again, Team Daraga with a chance to add more lead dito sa ating laro.
But give credits to Diaz there. He's diving for the loose ball.
And sideline inbound for Team Daraga with 14 seconds on their shot clock.
Napakalaki ng puso nitong si Diaz. Hindi man niya nakuha pero yung intention ay nandun.
Aspe with a quick double there from Santos. Pis to Chope, who wants to attack. Chope, nabitawan yung bola. At napunta na ang bola. At traveling call there from Sabayo. At ang bola ay mababalik sa Team Daraga with another possession.
That's a good defense there by Sabayo, but wasted by a traveling call.
And another possession will be given to Team Daraga.
That is really a lucky break for Team Daraga. And a bad break for Team Legazpi because naghahabol sila ng tatlo. And you have this very good defense na, that you have na kay Chope, and suddenly tawagan ka ng traveling.
And right now, Eman Faraon will be explaining, and our shot clock will be reset on 14 seconds. So again, Team Daraga has the chance to seal this game or at least get the dagger. Aspe inbounding the ball.
This Team Legazpi just need a one stop right here.
Aspe with the ball. Kontra ulit kay Diaz. He wants a pick coming from Gadon. Aspe attacking and missing. And nakaisabayo na ang bola. Tumatakbo ang mga taga-Team Legazpi. Del Rosario open for 3. Short yun.
That could be big if that falls down.
And Caspe open from the corner. Pero wala yon. Chope with another rebound and he wants to use some clock.
Caspe is already inside the ball game right now. Kailangan siya ngayon.
And Aspe nakalusot with that layup. And right now, the crowd is exploding in that last sequence with the layup made courtesy of Aspe.
Yes. This arena right now is really exploding, literally exploding right after that layup by Aspe.
And right now, Legazpi calling for timeout. 36.9. Anything can happen, Coach Ranji.
Yes. Etong Legazpi this team is very capable of coming back in this ball game. Sabi ko nga kanina, maraming shooters sa kanila. So etong 5-point lead na meron ngayon ng Daraga, suddenly madali ito matunaw, lalong-lalo na if this Team Legazpi connects.
With 36.9 and Team Legazpi will be opting to inbound the ball sa ating half court. So they have a 14 seconds shot clock. So mahaba pa ang 36.9. It could be a 3 possession pa rin para dito sa magkabilang koponan.
Titingnan natin kung anong pinag-usapan ni na Coach Nuki sa bench ng Team Legazpi.
And right now, Team Daraga shouting, asking, crying for this one stop.
This one stop can seal the game.
De La Cruz right now, Santos, Sabayo, Borbe, and Diaz. And a traveling call there on Joshua James Diaz, a crucial turnover, coach.
That's the story of the ball game. Travelings, both turnover, both traveling. Violation. If you're in Team Legazpi, that's very frustrating because hindi mo man lang naipatama yung bola sa ring.
That could be a part of the breaks of the game dito sa ating bakbakan. And right now, Team Daraga has the chance.
Hindi pa sarado ang shot clock, so...
And the Team Daraga wasting away the time. Aspe, to pass to Gadon with a layup. Another bullet pass there by Aspe. And right now, a 7-point lead for the Team Daraga.
And I think Aspe right now is in double-double.
And Gadon securing that board. And I guess that's it for our ball game. Much to the delight of these proud fans of Team Daraga.
And that was really a very entertaining ball game in the Sunday afternoon here in the Daraga covered court. Napakaganda ng laro na ipinamalas nitong dalawang team na ito.
What an outing, coach. Our final score, 99-92. Daraga winning big time here in our ball game.
Biglang nag-collapse yung Daraga doon nung fourth quarter. Biglang nakahabol yung Team Legazpi. Biglang nagkaroon ng exciting part. But Aspe sealing the game with that crucial layup and a crucial assist to Gadon inside. And now yung dalawang plays na yon plays a crucial role in this victory of Daraga.
And we have to go back to that turnover ng Team Legazpi with their chance to at least bring the lead down to 2 or 3 points, but committing that crucial turnover causes them big time.
Yes, let's give credit to the Team Legazpi because ang haba, ang layo ng hinabol nila. So, most probably, pagdating ng endgame, pagod na rin sila. That's why they committed these 2 crucial turnovers at the end of the game.
And yun na nga, with this Albay Clasico, Team Daraga sealing the win and come victorious dito sa ating own version of Albay Clasico.
And now Team Daraga is in the top of the bracket in the second district right now. So it means yung Team Legazpi will fall second.
Oo. They definitely broken the tie right now dito sa ating ball game.
And the fans really want more of this game between Team Legazpi and Team Daraga. Hopefully, sana magharap pa itong dalawang strong teams na ito.
Ayan nga po ang dala sa atin ng Ako Bicol Cup. Hatid sa inyo yan ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List na katabang na kasurug pa. We are just waiting for the best player of the ball game. And ito nga natunghayan natin ang napakagandang bakbakan ng Team Legazpi and Team Daraga. And I guess we are definitely expecting more dito sa ating torneo. And right now, kasama na ni Carmela Hernandez ang ating Kong Saldico, kasurog player of the ball game. Carmela.
Mga kasurog, magandang gabi at kasama natin ngayon ang player of the game, walang iba kundi si Paul Aspe. So Paul, what was your motivation behind that super excellent performance?
Motivation ko lang na na-adapt ay yung pagkakaisa namin sa team na gusto namin mapanalo yung laro. Lalo na yun na yung isa bigatin na team na mga kalaban namin sa bracket namin. At sa mga mahal ko sa buhay, sila mama na laging suporta sa akin.
May gusto ka bang batiin?
Binabati ko po sila Lola nasa Manila, sila Linaspe, Lolo Jun, sila Tati, sila Kuya Fel, sila Auntie, sila Franz, at lahat ng sumusuporta, sila Elsa. Ilan po.
So Paul, once again, congratulations. Balik sa inyo, Coach Ranji at Coach Kyle.
At ayan na nga po ang ating, thank you very much Carmela Hernandez, at ayan na ang ating Congressman Saldico, kasurog player of the ball game, Dazzle Paul Aspe. Let's wrap up this game, Coach Ranji.
Yes. As I was saying a while ago, yung pinaka-crucial shots ni Aspe, yung layup and also yung assist na ginawa niya. And also, sa Team Legazpi naman, give credits to them. Malayo yung hinabol nila, but just a short thing for them to finish this ball game on a losing line.
And as we end this Albay Clasico matchup, again, Team Daraga come victorious dito sa ating matchup ng 2nd District. Magbabalik po kami for more action dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. At until now, goosebumps all over my body. And syempre, thank you so much sa aming mga production at sa mga lahat ng sumusuporta ng Ako Bicol Cup. Maraming salamat po.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal. Nahahanapan lang kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List. Asimkan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nag-oral ako sa imo. Aram mo may akong anak kinagrelasyon ka.
Aram mo palang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung di sa Baskaran, wala kiti sulti. Napangitan na sa amon, mga sabiyo to sana.
Kung di sana nagadag sa akin, wala man ako sa iya magad sa pinto.